Welcome to another in the series in Self-Identity through Hooponopono. Our instructor has just returned from teaching classes in Australia, Korea, Japan, the Netherlands, Italy, France, the Czech Republic, and Dubai. He's an instructor, an author, and a lecturer and a Ph.D., Dr. Ihaleakala Hew Len.
Welcome to the series on self-identity through Hooponopono. When I travel the world, many of the classes are done in other languages. So as I speak in English, the classes need to be translated. For example, I was in Korea, so in Korean, in Japanese, and when I was in the Czech Republic recently, it was translated in Czech. And so as I go around the world, including in France, the language, we translate the different prayers in the different languages. So what happens at the beginning of each class, we do the I-Dentity prayer, and the purpose is to clear from our minds any problems, any memories of problems replaying in the class. So I'm going to do the prayer in the Hawaiian for you now. Ovao no ki'i, pua mai kapo iloko, akama lama lama. Ovao no ka ha, kaumali ola, ovao no ka poho, ke ka ele ma waho a e no kaya pao, ka I, ke kino iho na mea pao, ka e au I ku pio ana anui nui, ma waho a e no kaya pao, ka ho o mau o na manao a me na mea pao, ovao no ka ho, a me ka ha, he huna kamakani nahi nahi, ka hua huna o kumalipo, ovao no ka I. The prayer is a Hooponopono process. It's a process of repentance, forgiveness, and transmutation. As I mentioned in the other series, the Hooponopono is about rectifying errors. Errors are simply memories replaying in the subconscious, and the subconscious holds all these errors and offenses. So as we do the cleaning with the I-Dentity prayer or any of these cleaning tools, we make an appeal to the divinity, who then has the power to release, to erase, to transmute the memories back to pure energy, releasing that energy back into itself and leaving zero. And so now you get back to zero, your original state of existence. So the question is, who am I? Of course, you are created, you are a divine being created in the exact likeness of the divinity. So you are a perfect being. So what is the problem? A problem is not you. A problem is a memory recorded of a past error that sits in your subconscious. So the subconscious is a computer bank. It holds all of the memories since the beginning of creation that you have committed, created, accepted, or accumulated. It's in your computer bank. So the Hooponopono is only about recovering your identity. And what is your identity? Zero, nothing. So Hooponopono is about erasing the memories in your subconscious so you can get back into this pure state of being and then be hanging around with the divinity who can feed you whatever information that you need that's perfect for living. The information that right business, right relationship, right family ties, right everything, and so it's a beautiful process. So the I-Dentity is one of many processes that we teach around the world, and it's a process of saying to the divinity, I'm sorry, please forgive me for whatever memories are replaying in my soul that I experience as pain. So you can do the I-Dentity, as we've indicated in other series. You can be drinking solar water, you can say I love you, you can say thank you, you can do any of these cleaning processes, and they're very simple to do. And how do you do it? You just do it. So how do you do the I-Dentity prayer? You just say it. How do you do the drinking the solar water? You just drink it. How do you do I love you? That's simply saying I love you. And what are you cleaning? Who knows? Only divinity in you knows. Because the conscious mind only holds 15 bits of information, while the subconscious holds 11 million per second. So we have no idea what we're cleaning. We're clueless. So thank you.
This has been Self-Identity through Hooponopono. For more information, Self-Identity through hooponopono.com.